Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to unsend mail in Gmail after less than 1 hour. So first, of course, you have to click this compose here and then enter the email address of your friend. Now, take note, you should be very quick in doing this. Okay, so if you type the name of your friend here or someone here and then send a message to a specific person, what you want to do if you want to undo or if you want to unsend this message, all you have to do is simply click undo if you still see the undo button. Now you have to take note that you must be very quick here. Okay, so I think it only lasts for like 20 or 30 seconds, then tap undo. As you can see, it's now undoing. And you can delete or save this as draft, or you can just simply exit this one and then message this person again, maybe next time. Okay, so that's it. All you have to do is to simply click undo, but you must be very quick in doing this so that you can simply unsend the message here. This is the best way on how to unsend a mail in Gmail. Less than an hour, should be less than a minute, I guess. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is. You must be very quick because if you exceeded from the given time, or as you can see, if this send and undo is not visible here, probably you cannot unsend the email. And obviously, the email has been sent. So that's it. I really hope that this video somehow help you. And yes, it's possible to send an email, but you should be quick in doing this to undo or unsend a message or a mail. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.